boys and girls, it's Dee the Jolly Lighthouse Keeper here at Flagstaff Hill. We're having a look at another activity today, and it's the Knitting Nancy, also known in some circles as French knitting. Now in the olden days, we'd get one of the bobbins from the cotton that Mum was using to sew. We'd get Dad or Mum to stick 4 nails, you silly things, nails in the end, and then we would weave in and out the nails. We'd make a little woolen runner. Now, nowadays, we use a few more modern things. This is one that our friend Kate made, and it's made just with a cardboard roll and paddle pop sticks and a bit of paper, but the same rules apply. As you can see, same idea, same idea. This is a bit easier to make. You'll only need a few things to make it. You will need 4 paddle pop sticks. Now you can either get paddle pop sticks at the craft shop in a big bag, or you can go down the shop and buy 4 paddle pops, eat them and then use them. And you'll have to talk to Mum and Dad about that and your dietary requirements. But probably go to the craft store, it's healthier. And you'll need a cardboard roll. You can get those from all sorts of things around the home. This one's from a Glad wrap roll, but you can find them all sorts of applications. So there's your cardboard roll, there's your 4 paddle pop sticks. Oh, there's a bit of ice cream left on this one, I better not eat it. And a bit of paper to make it look nice. How does it work? Well, let me show you. We get your paddle pop sticks, like so. Get your masking tape. So we'll do it 2 at a time. I found trying to do 4 at a time, you need like a friendly octopus to help you. And though there are a lot of octopuses out there in the ocean, they're very, very disinclined to come into the craft shed. Alright, masking tape, paddle pop stick, 1 paddle pop stick, round and round, 2 paddle pop sticks. You might be clever, oh, I'm probably putting them a bit high. You might be clever and be able to do 4 at once. And I've often found, boys and girls, that you guys are heaps better at crafts than me, and that's good. Right, round we go. Put the second one on like that. Make sure they sort of line up. Right, so there's the first part of it. Now I get 2 more paddle pop sticks. A little bit more tape. Like so. Put the next one on. And you see what I'm saying, it's much easier to do than 2 by 2. Put the last paddle pop stick in. Round it goes. Round and round, round and round, and there we go. Let's see how that's looking next to Kate's, which is fantastic. Yep, I reckon that's alright. Okay, again, you can put the paddle pop sticks down a bit more or fool around with them in any way possible. Now you could start knitting Nancy like that, but we wanted to make it look nice, so paper. Get your glue stick. Particularly on that edge and that edge, put heaps, because they're going to fold. But just run the glue stick like that. Start it off like so. As you can see, round and round we go. And there's our Knitting Nancy, and it is now ready to do its job. We'll come back in a moment and I'll show you how to do the actual knitting, so hold that thought. Well, boys and girls, you see I've got myself tied up in all sorts of knots with the Knitting Nancy. I hope I'm doing it right, but I'm going to hand you over to our assistant lighthouse keeper, Meg. She'll show you how to do it correctly. You know what, boys and girls, every now and then you've got to admit you need help. I'll pass you over to Meg.
Hey boys and girls, let's have a go at using our Knitting Nancy. So the first step we have to do is make a little knot. So go like that, put it through, and we're going to put it on one of our paddle pop sticks, okay? Tie it on, don't make it too tight, and then we're going to make another little knot. You might have to have Mum or Dad help you with this one. Sometimes wool can be a bit fiddly. There we go. We tie it like that. That's the first one done. We're going to hold it down. We're going to put it through the middle. we go. And if you've made it long, it'll come out the bottom there. Alright, now what we're going to do is going to get our string. We're going to go around. Okay? Around. Oh, whoopsies. Around. And come over here. Around. See, and we're going to go one more time so we have 2 bits of wool. Okay? Put it down a little bit. Around. 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 Beautiful. And that'll just stick down there. Now we go back to our first one. See where we had our first little knot? And what we're going to do is we're going to bring it up and over the top. Stick it down. Move on to the next one. Bring it up. Push it down. And another one. Oh, whoops-a-daisies. My top one fell off. That's okay. You might have to hold it with your finger. Up. Beautiful. And we go one more over here. Hold it down. Up and over. Awesome. So now we're all back to little one loop. See that there? So then we do the same thing. Make our loop again. Loop again. Alright, until we've done the whole thing once more. My string's being naughty, it keeps coming off. Alrighty, and then we're back to the beginning. Up and over. Whoops, up and over. And we keep going like that all the way around until it becomes long. So the more loops you do, the longer your Knitting Nancy becomes. Okay, and we can use these and we can make some other crafts with them as well, but we want to see how long you can make your Knitting Nancy. Have fun, boys and girls.